Okay, I figured out the easiest way is just to show you this. Um, yeah, this is part of my nacelle design. It works, but I'm having problems with the motors. They're over RPMing. They're uh, they're doing something weird. So I'm gonna first off, I can't get any of these switches to work at all on the Betaflight, and that's my controller. FS10B is the receiver. Everything's hooked up. When I arm it, I have to use this knob right here. It's the only two channels I can get to work. Okay, so now it's armed. But listen. Yeah, I know there's a lot of wires because it's just a prototype. I'm still working on it. But when I put it up to just a little bit of throttle and leave it, watch what happens. Not touching it. Not even touching the throttle. See, it just getting scary now. It just keeps climbing. And then when I drop it down, it goes back down to idle. Now, I did set an angle mode for this. See, it still yaws and everything like it's supposed to. And it goes, aileron. So, but it just feels like it's RPMing like really too hard. Now when I set an angle mode, again, I could only use the other knob because it doesn't recognize my switches. And I put it to angle mode. And it goes like that. And then if I barely touch the throttle, had to disarm it. Okay. So this has been, battery cable's warm too. I already burned out one of these capacitors. If I let it go too high, then it just pops the capacitor. So I don't know if it's something in Betaflight or what. None of these switches work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I haven't used FlySky stuff before. I kind of lost all my other stuff, a long time ago. Yes, I'm experimenting with a Dyson style nacelle. Don't tell anyone. This should produce enough thrust to lift it. If it doesn't, I'm going to shrink the nacelle and then I'm probably going to go direct with the tube. But it's just a prototype. I'm trying something new. But the problem is this. It's just you arm it with the only switches you can arm it with. Take off the angle mode. And then just... It sounds like one's spinning down and like the other three are spinning up or something like that. Not even touching it. Throttle's still in the same spot. So, yeah. That's what's going on. And this isn't producing any lift yet because I have a hole to plug down there. But, I don't know. I'm not sure how else to explain it. I've got my RX hooked up like that. Yes, my solder jobs look like they came out of a soft serve machine. kind of just see it melted off that again. It melted off that cover for the leg. It gets this real. Look at that. I think I popped this one too. So I don't know if it's something in Betaflight or the ESC or something. I don't know. What do you think? This is getting too hot. It's over revving. It's revving on its own. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. These are 3200 kilovolt 4S. This is just a 7200 milliamp ADC. I know that doesn't matter as far as the C rating goes, because I'm going to max out this battery anyway. But, and you know, and I'm running everything through Servo and iBus. I don't honestly know what to do at this point, so I'm just kind of hoping that you have some suggestions.